Walmart. I saw this thing and I liked it, so I thought let's buy it and show you guys how convenient and handy it could be. And by the way, it's not a sponsored video, but you know, I kind of like the product. Let's do the unboxing. So it is like a small fridge.
Teeny tiny fridge for anything you want to put inside.
Yeah.
See?
And you can attach these to the car. Let me show you. This has AC and DC, so you can plug it in your car, and you can have like can or like water bottle or something like 2-3. Quite handy if your car doesn't have a fridge in it. So yeah, it's kind of good handy stuff, man. So I thought let's share with you. And these are the cables. See, this is what I mean. You can plug this in the car lighter or the DC output and plug it back in. Alrighty, take care, guys.
Like, subscribe and share our channel, Omar Imam. Stay tuned for more updates.